Well, this here ain't a bad view out the tent. My friend was out on the big island, well, I don't know, over the winter, and he brought me a package of some nice Kona coffee. Let's go get some. Lots of critters out last night. Whippoorwills, hoot owls, coyotes howling, a couple other critters rustling around.
Right.
We got some Kona brew today from the big island of Hawaii.
Getting nothing. Oh wait, there's weather band.
There's that woodpecker again. Now we're gonna take a walk over to see if we could find Whoopie Cat Lake on the other side of this lake.
You pull up to that parking lot with your kayak, do some fishing?
Oh yeah, a lot of thorns. Now we gotta get up that hill, way up there. We made it to Whoopie Cat. We're gonna go check it out over there. This is a natural area though, no camping. Oh, this is nice. This would have been great for drawing some filtering water.
That jug up, no problem.
Oh yeah, look at this. Little waterfall.
Yeah, this would be awesome.
I don't know,
Our
man.
section had, remember they had
Yeah.
different numbers on there, the cutoffs.
Back at the watering hole. Time to backwash this filter. It's slowing down. Well, we're going to be leaving Tecumseh Lake pretty soon. Heading over towards High Knob. But we got to shuttle around. We can't walk through hike the trail. So all you anybody planning to hike from Elizabethtown to Garden of the Gods, do not even try, because you're not going to get through Hog Thief Creek. Yeah, right, we got good news. Bart's phone call came through, and he's going to pick us back up at the road and shuttle us back over to High Knob. There it is. The High Knob Country Store. We met JoJo and Kathy. Two very nice people. They didn't have much in there, but they did have a pump to fill up our water, and some pop and chips and stuff. No beer. That would have been our best case scenario. So this is the High Knob Horse Campground. People use this as their headquarters, camp, stay in little cabins, and they ride these trails. We're heading up to High Knob. It's supposed to be like a half a mile to the lookout, straight up this hill. We loaded up with pounds of water, so we should have plenty for dinner, coffee, breakfast, drinking water. Steep. Hi now. There's the trail we got to take down. Oh man, look at this. Barbecue grills. Oh yeah. Yeah, sure would be nice if we could camp here, but they say no camping on top of the lookout. I guess everybody'd be up here then, right? Wow, look at that slide. You could walk down that without a pack, I think. Probably get down it. Wow.
One morning fair, I took the down by Blackwater's edge. Wasn't gazing hard all around me. The Irish was fine.
We're going down.
Down. The night we lay, sport and play, till this young man arose and gathered his clothes. Sent That's not the promise that you gave to me when first you lay on my breast.
Whoa.
You make me believe with the lying done that the sun is in the west. Then go home now to your father's garden. Go home, leave your fiddle to think on your run. His fortune you brought with you one damn
Holy moly. That might be the cave there, bro. We took all that water down that trail through the one around this high knob. And there's nowhere to camp down there. It's all like single track. So we had to come back up. And now we're not on the actual lookout, but we're just off to the side. I mean, we had no choice. It's getting late. It's probably 5:30. So I hope it's not an issue with anyone, but don't get no better than this. On the lookout here, cooking. Another mountain house. This is a good one. I had it before. Don't know if we're going to get a sunset with the clouds. We may. We may.